So guys, you saw the thumbnail, you saw the title, and just the today's content is very, very crucial or very important for you guys. And that is iOS 13 is the bad iOS or the bad OS ever made. Yes guys, why I'm telling this? Okay, like before a couple of weeks, there were videos and reviews that iOS 13 is the best OS ever and like this and like that. But why I'm saying that it is the worst iOS version ever made? Just guys, let me tell you. Okay, I'm not talking like this, like they have not included few features. Take example like multitasking or split screen. Okay, like on Android in any smartphone, there is split screen option available, and even iPad OS has that option. Like our iPad OS has like three screen splits, and there are lots of advantages with the iPad OS. But why not giving those features to the iOS 13? Like it doesn't make really any sense. And this is not the only the factor which takes us to the conclusion that iOS 13 is the worst OS ever, because the iOS 13 is very problematic and buggy. All the reviews and everybody said the smartphone is pretty great. Okay, the iPhone 11, 11 Pro or the 11 Pro Max is pretty great. It's beautiful, it works great. But the problem where they are facing is the OS. It is very laggy, there are bugs, there are glitches, and this is not at all the statement. This is not at all the way how iOS was. Okay, till iOS 12, there was no bug and there was no glitch on iOS. But iOS 13, like there are few people like they are saying that we are in conference room and a call comes to us, so we just shifted to AirPods, but the call just blasts up in loudspeaker mode. Like it does not make any sense. To take example, like you are having the low volume button you're clicking and just the volume increases. Like there are few basic things. You can this is very different thing. Okay, like it was also reported that what is happening with iOS, there is all when you open the camera there is a big delay and lag, and there are lots of problems faced by people because of the iOS 13. And fun fact, when I went recently to the Apple store to see the new iPhones a couple of weeks ago, the iOS 13 was there, the developer beta was installed on those devices, but that was buttery smooth. So Apple's demo mode or the demo OS on their iPhones is pretty smooth, but the public global release iOS firmware is not so smooth. Okay, also with the older iPhones from iPhone SE onwards, all are getting these bugs and problems which we never faced couple of years ago, and that's the only reason I have not yet updated my own personal device to iOS 13. And considering this factor, I will not at all do that. And I just want to say like why it is like the worst, because the basic functions it is not doing properly. The lags and glitches are a different portion. Not including premium features is a different question, but the main question here is like it's very obvious. Like if you want a particular task to be in somebody calls you or you want to watch a video, you're increasing the volume and the volume blasts to the full limits, and like this is not at all accepted with any OS, and you're getting this with an iOS device. It's very different. So guys, this was a very short video. The only purpose of me making this video is if you have not yet updated, please don't update it as if for now. If Apple will introduce another beta version, you can go for it. And guys, I just don't want to hurt your feelings or anything about it, but I just wanted to give you the practical things and what is actually happening. So again, if you have used or if you have downloaded iOS 13 on your device, just wait for another beta by Apple. But it is actually spoiling the iOS experience overall, this iOS version. So I just want to say like this iOS is not at all the way it should be. So if you have liked today's video, and if you want like this latest update from Apple ecosystem, consider subscribing to our channel. And also if you have liked today's video and you have watched it till the end, don't forget to give this video a like and also leave a comment. What are your thoughts, and just are you in general excited for the iOS 13? Are you liking it or are you hating it? So hope you have liked today's video, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then,